Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about Google Compute Engine. Introduction. Hello everyone, thanks for coming today ready to learn Google Compute Engine. In this tutorial, we will explore Compute Engine working through an example guestbook application. You will create Compute Engine instance, deploy and finally put a network load balancer. In the front, you can create a compute engine instance from either the graphics console or from the command line. This lab will walk you through using command line. Google Compute Engine offer virtual machine running in Google's data centers connected to its worldwide fiber network. The tooling and workflow offered enables scaling from single instance to global load balanced cloud computing. These BMS boot quickly come with presents disk storage and deliver constant performance. The machines are available in many configurations including predefined sized and can also be created with custom machine type optimums for your specific needs. Finally, Compute Engine virtual machines are also the technology used by several other Google Cloud products. Setup and requirements. Self-paced environment setup. Sign into the Google Cloud Console and create a new project or reuse an existing one. If you don't already have a Gmail or Google Workspace account, you must create one. The project name is the display name for these project's participants. It is a character string not used by Google APIs, and you can update it at any time. The project ID must be unique across all Google Cloud projects, and it immutable cannot be changed after it has been set. The Cloud Console auto generates a unique string. Usually, you don't care what is it. In most correlates, you will need to reference the project ID, and it is typically identifiable as project ID. So if you don't like it, generate another room one. You can try your own and see if it available. Thank you everyone to watch my video.